I'm trying to film a video right now. Has it been a while since I've done this? Yes. This is like really a middle piece of a couch situation, but I got it to like in the corner because like that's pretty cute. But I'm trying to make it look not awkward. So I can sit right here. But is that awkward? I don't know. Also, I have a bunch of different mics and headphones, headsets. I have a headset, but I don't want to wear a headset. So I just have this like propped up right here, this headset with the microphone out, and I'm hoping to get better audio. That's what my goal is here. And I'm also trying to make it so this ring light isn't reflected in the glass, you know. So anyways, I'm gonna film my birth story finally. I'm feeling like maybe it's time and it will be good. It's been really hard. It's really hard when I think about sharing it. It was just a hard time, you know, but I don't know, I felt inspired to do it, so I'm gonna do it. So many things have made me not want to do it, like my hair today. It's fine. Anyway, just like another part of it, like, does this look awkward? I don't know. I feel like this stand is so old too that it's like a little bit crooked and you know all the things, but we're gonna do it anyways. I mean, does anyone come here looking for perfection? No, we don't. We're just here to relate, right? So let's do it. Also, I'm sweating now. Well, my lip gloss is gone. Been moving things around. Okay, I think it's fine. But if I had it over, I originally had it clear over here, but it looked like a little sad, so I was like, I should add a little more something to this. I don't know. Okay, well, here we go anyway. We just want that so bad. I just want that so bad. Hey everyone, it's been a few days since we vlogged. Hi. Fit check.
Okay, socks, I don't know, pants are a shirt. And then I have an undershirt and it's also
Oh, thanks,
so
Layla.
sleeves are.
Fit check, Target, Cutie, fit check, Nike, fit check,
What's up, mother
Goodwill.
fathers? Have an orange beanie on.
Fit check. What the heck?
We're just hanging out today. The kids don't have school, which is always the best. Always the best. You're just feeding the goats.
Bro, I just got these out of the washer.
Dang. Well, that should just brush off. Anyways, we're just hanging out. Winston went snowboarding. My mom is on her way here and we're gonna do her hair. So just a
Have
good
enough money to go snowboarding.
Gage spent all of his money, so he's gonna go. Okay. Is he getting you? Look at this little bonk on this noggin. Finny was crawling around and slipped and bonked his head on a chair, and it was really sad. Every day I say, Finn, let's try to not bonk your head today. Because every day, somehow, gets a little bonk. Say hi, hi. Oh, you're so cute. I love this haircut. Isn't it so cute? I did end up cutting the sides a little bit shorter than I did when I was filming. Just because I felt like it was still kind of like poking out. Anyway, it's February. How's your February going? I had big plans for all my goals in February, but things have been a little rough around here. Casey's foot started hurting so bad that he couldn't walk. We didn't know what was going on. He waited because, you know, when something is just hurting and aching, you think, oh, it's going to go away. It didn't. It was getting worse. He went in, he has tendonitis, but he hasn't really been able to walk. So let me just say it's made me appreciate how much he helps me when he is healthy and can walk, because it's been hard because I've been doing all the chasing of Finn and he really wants to be held all the time. So there's some habits that we need to break and I don't know how to break them. You'd think I'd never had a baby before and I feel that way. He doesn't sleep through the night. He wakes up so many times.
He does, but last night I was
so
just like this.
many times. He doesn't nap great, which is really hard also. So I just need to figure out the sleeping schedule. I should probably just hire someone to help me because I don't know what I'm doing.
Hire me.
Anyway, so we're tired. We're tired. January was rough. This month has been rough, but also so great. So I don't mean to complain because everything is also so great. I'm just tired and I've been slacking a little here. What is that? Balls? Oh, that's the best, yeah. We missed the good face when Gage first showed him. He was so excited. He said, oh, that's so fun. Like, give them to me. You and Rosie needed to play a good game of fetch. That would be good.
Yeah.
Hi, Rosie. Hey, that's so fun. Grammy Sammy's here, getting your roots touched up. And look, she brought us Valentine's. So nice. Jeez Louise, we're spoiled. Are you ready for bed? How cute is this baby? He bonked his head 2 times today. I think I already talked about 1 time, but then he bonked his head again. He was so excited about the balls that Gage brought in, and he was standing up by the bucket and he fell over. So it's just the worst. It's the hardest part about this age is just the bonking of the head. Ben is gonna be 1 in a couple weeks. Oh, I know, it's so crazy. So we're trying to think of what we're gonna do for his birthday. Since he likes balls so much, I think I'm gonna do Finn's rookie year. I think it's gonna be so cute. Of course, I'll be sure to show you guys and make a little video. It will be so fun and I can't wait. Very excited about the Super Bowl. Also getting some things ready because we're having a big Super Bowl party here because Casey's favorite team are the Eagles. So I hope you guys are all cheering for the Eagles. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Everybody say, fly like an eagle. Fly like an eagle.
Everyone.
Let me see if I can get the ball with football. It was just a video. Oh, no.
Fly, eagles, fly. We fly.
Happy Super Bowl Sunday. We're making some avocado salsa, and this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 5 to 6 tomatoes. You can dump that in there, right in that bowl. Nice.
Oh, and the bowl.
And the bowl. You don't have to put the bowl in there. You're gonna need 2 to 3 avocados right here. We did 3. We did extra, guys. We did max of everything. Good girl. We're gonna need 1 can of black beans. Just dump them in. Nice. 1 can of white corn.
That doesn't look right. It looks so.
We're gonna add a handful of cilantro. We might add some more. 1 onion. We're also adding some Zesty Italian dressing, just to taste. Layla's gonna add some. Nice.
All of it?
Not all of it. Let's just do like that much, and then we're gonna mix it up.
Okay. That looks good. But I'm not gonna eat any. Because I don't like black beans.
We're obviously cheering for the Eagles today. Go Eagles.
Okay, I'll show
Go
you.
Eagles.
Go Birds.
You're just gonna try it out, see if we need more dressing, see how it tastes. Do we need more cilantro? Let us know. Do you
Dang, that was good.
wanna try it?
I'll try it.
What do you think?
fine.
Does it need more dressing?
No!
Let's hear it, Layla.
Does it need more?
Yeah.
Good? Okay, we used this much
The
dressing.
zesty.
You just have to taste it, you know?
Zesty.
I know it's a little late to be sharing this, but this is great for any time. Anytime you need to bring a side. It's delicious. Let us know if you try it.
Oh, guys, look at my shirt.
Go Eagles!
Finn returns. The Panther's agility is on full display. He leaps for an opening.
What do you have?